Okay, we have another similar grammar point that we're also going to talk about today. Let's take a look. So if let's suppose I'm a kid who just got a phone call from my dad. もしもし、今日は仕事で遅くなるから晩ご飯はうちで食べないからね。お母さんに言っておいてね。That's what I heard on the phone. So, もしもし、今日は仕事で遅くなるから晩ご飯はうちで食べないからね。お母さんに言っておいてね。So now I'm going to tell this information to someone else. お母さん、お父さん、仕事で遅くなるから晩ご飯はうちで食べないって。うちで食べないって。So this small 2 plus て is a way that we can talk about quotations that we heard from someone else. So this is a way that we can talk about quotations in casual speech. So short form plus small 2 te. So be a little bit careful. I think a lot of people see this te and feel like they have to make like the te form. But we're not making the te form. We have a short form and then we have a small 2 plus te that goes after it. This small 2 plus te is like a contracted version, a shortened version of to itte imashita. So we use it when we want to say to itte imashita in casual speech. So for example, Meori-san says, 宝くじに当たりました。今日は晩ご飯をおごってあげます。So if I wanted to say that, if I wanted to tell someone else what Mary-san told me, I could say, メアリーさん、宝くじに当たったって。So, 宝くじに当たった is the short form part, and then て is this casual speech version of と言っていました。メアリーさん、宝くじに当たったって。今日、晩ご飯をおごってくれるって。Again, おごってくれるis our short form sentence, and て is the shortened version of と言っていました。So using the short form plus this small 2 te is a way that we can talk about quotations in casual speech. We can quote what somebody else said in an informal way.